The cast iron square grill pan with glass lid is a versatile cooking tool designed for grilling, frying, and sautéing various types of food. Here are some details about this particular pan. 1. Size. The grill pan has a 10.5-inch square cooking surface, providing ample space for cooking multiple servings at once. 2. Material. It is made of cast iron, which is known for its excellent heat retention and distribution properties. Cast iron is also highly durable and can withstand high temperatures, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor cooking. 3. Pre-seasoned. The pan comes pre-seasoned, which means it has been treated with a layer of oil to create a natural non-stick surface. This allows for easy food release and helps prevent rusting. 4. Glass lid. The grill pan includes a glass lid, which is useful for trapping heat and moisture during cooking. The lid allows you to monitor the food without lifting it, helping to retain flavors and nutrients. 5. Handle cover. For added convenience and safety, the pan comes with a handle cover. This cover helps protect your hands from the heat when handling the hot pan. 6. Pan scraper. Additionally, the package includes a pan scraper, which is a handy tool for cleaning the pan. It helps remove stuck-on food particles without damaging the seasoning. 7. Compatibility. The pan is designed to be compatible with various heat sources, including stovetops, grills, and induction cooktops. This versatility allows you to use it both indoors and outdoors. Overall, this cast iron grill pan with a glass lid offers a convenient and durable solution for grilling, frying, and sautéing your favorite foods. Its pre-seasoned surface, glass lid, handle cover, and pan scraper make it a practical choice for both beginner and experienced cooks.